Lili, let me ask you something real quick. Do you think we're addicted to coffee?
Reli, real coffee addicts don't ask that question. Real addicts only ask, does this place do refills?
Yeah. Guess that means I'm hooked.
I noticed ages ago, every time you're stressed, you chug coffee like you just signed a lifetime contract with caffeine.
What about you? Do you drink it for the passion? Or just to use the cup as a prop for your Instagram life?
70% for the aesthetic, 20% to stay awake, 10%, who knows. But the important thing is it has to look good.
You're so brutally honest.
Honesty keeps the skin glowing.
I think you just made that up.
Maybe, but it sounds legit, right?
Legit, Lili style.
What exactly is my style?
A little chaotic, a little loud, but always fun.
Fun is the main ingredient. Life needs a dash of salt, a pinch of sugar, too bland, and everyone falls asleep.
The way you talk, I can't tell if you're describing life or seasoning food.
Both. I'm great at multitasking.
Lili, I'm curious. Is something up today? You've been quiet for a whole 3 minutes.
Reli, 3 minutes of silence for me just means my brain is loading. Give it a sec to boot up.
No wonder I had to call your name 3 times earlier.
I was optimizing RAM, not ignoring you.
Yeah, sounds like a buggy computer.
Not buggy, just a little laggy.
So, what's causing today's lag?
I was thinking about sleeping in.
That's the serious issue?
Dead serious. My schedule says wake up at 7, but my body votes for 9. It's a full-on civil war.
Who won?
My body. Schedules are just for decoration.
You're so disciplined.
Of course. Plans are there to look pretty. Real life is whatever I decide.
That sounds almost philosophical.
Nah, I'm just lazy.
Ah, now that makes sense.
But Reli, be honest. Don't you feel like we're aging super fast lately?
How old are you to be talking about aging?
Not by years, by soul. I feel old, like a pair of worn-out rubber sandals.
What kind of weird comparison is that?
Those sandals look beat up, but they're tough as hell, just like me.
Fair. You really are stubborn.
And you? What do you think you're like?
I think I'm like a book.
What book? How to be overly serious 101.
Hey, I'm not that serious.
Reli, the other day I asked what you wanted to eat, and you answered like you were chairing a board meeting. Give me 5 minutes to consider.
Well, I just want to be fair to all the dishes.
Nobody needs fairness here. This is food, not a beauty pageant.
But I'm scared I'll regret my choice later.
It's just ordering food, not deciding the fate of the planet.
You're always satisfied, so you don't understand the pressure of second guessing.
Reli, you second guess because you overthink. I don't because I'm hungry.
That actually makes a lot of sense.
Of course. I'm all about realism.
But seriously, do you ever wish you could tone down the cheerfulness a bit? Everyone smiles the second they see you.
Nope. Cheerfulness keeps me young.
So I look older because I'm less cheerful?
No. You don't look old. You just look a little rumpled.
Rumpled means old. Lili.
Not the same thing. Rumpled can be ironed out.
So you're saying I need ironing?
Yep. Ironed with coffee, outings, and a lot less overthinking. I can help.
Sounds like a mental wellness package.
Exactly. Free for best friends.
I'm touched.
Don't get touched. Just stop sighing after every coffee and we're good.
When did I sigh?
3 times already. I counted.
Why are you counting my sighs?
So I know exactly when to tease you into laughing.
Lili, you really care about me, huh?
Obviously. If I didn't, who else could put up with you?
That was somehow both insulting and adorable at the same time.
My specialty.
Lili, seriously, thank you for always making me laugh.
Whoa, getting deep already? Reli, don't talk like that. I'm not used to it. I'll cry and my mascara isn't waterproof.
Fine, I take it back.
Good. Back to regular funny mode.
Then one last question. Are you ever gonna stop roasting me?
Reli, if I stopped roasting you, would you miss me?
I probably would.
Then I'm definitely not stopping.
Guess I'll try to forget I ever asked.
Rely, real talk. Have you ever thought about changing your vibe a little?
My vibe? I think I'm fine.
Fine for you, maybe. To everyone else you look mature beyond legal limits.
Lili, I'm wearing a shirt, not armor.
Yeah, but your aura screams I've survived 3 lifetimes of storms.
Lili, I'm only 23.
Exactly. Yet your energy is 43.
Now I feel like booking a rejuvenation treatment.
That's the spirit. Try wearing something comfy like a hoodie.
Me in a hoodie would look like I'm hiding from debt collectors.
Relax. Only people who actually owe money look like that. You just owe deadlines.
Ouch. But true.
I know. I observe my best friend very closely.
Why do you observe me so much?
So I know exactly when to roast you perfectly.
Ah, right. Your main profession.
Not profession, beloved hobby.
Sounds classy.
I am classy. From my soul all the way to this coffee cup I'm holding.
The cup I paid for.
Still classy. Sponsored by my best friend.
Suddenly I feel like the official sponsor of the Lili show.
Yep. Airs daily, new days off.
Main segment. Roast Reli.
Not always. Sometimes it's help Reli wake up.
When am I ever not awake?
I mean awake as in fun awake. You're too serious sometimes.
Serious is my personality.
Personalities need maintenance too, or they get stiff.
Stiff?
Yeah, like overnight baguette.
Lili, your analogies are never normal.
But you get them, right?
Yeah, I get them.
Mission accomplished.
Lili, delicate question incoming.
Ooh, now I'm curious. Shoot.
Do you ever worry about the future?
Sure, but only lightly.
Lightly?
Yeah, like, what am I eating tomorrow? Not, where will I be in 30 years?
That lifestyle sounds so relaxing.
Of course. Thinking too far ahead gives headaches.
But I'm the overthinking type.
I know. Your brain is probably demanding a raise right now.
If my brain asks for a raise, I'm quitting.
Mine runs on a low-expense budget.
Yet you always talk like a machine gun.
That's because I run on solar power, sunlight hits, and I start chatting.
What happens when it rains?
I sleep.
Makes sense.
Hey, Reli, why the future talk? Something bothering you?
Lately, everyone seems so busy, always running. It's stressing me out a bit.
Rely, they're running after deadlines. You're keeping up, that's already impressive.
Sometimes I feel like I'm falling way behind everyone.
Behind what? We all have chaotic days. I once overslept 4 hours and told myself, it's cold, I'm just protecting my health.
You're a master at justifying anything.
Not justifying living true to my heart.
I think your heart is a little too flexible.
Yeah, but it keeps me happy. What about you?
I think you're really strong.
Rely. Hey, don't get all serious. I'm shy.
Okay, stopping. But I mean it.
I know. But stop anyway. I have a reputation as the fun roaster to protect. If you make me emotional, I'll ruin it.
Then let me change the subject. Got any secrets for not comparing yourself to others?
Yep. I look in the mirror.
And then?
I see. I'm gorgeous. That's enough.
That confident, huh?
Confidence is free. Why not use it?
If everyone was as confident as you, the world would explode.
No biggie. I'd put the fire out. I'm great with chaos.
Lili, I genuinely admire how carefree you are.
Reli, carefree doesn't mean clueless. I just pick my battles.
And the ones that aren't worth it?
Delete. My brain has limited storage.
Upgrade it.
Nah. Less storage means less junk.
But you still keep me in there?
Obviously, you're in the important do not delete folder.
Now I'm touched.
Hey, no. I told you. No touching moments. My mascara isn't waterproof.
Topic change then. Notice how everyone in this cafe is glued to their laptops?
Yeah. Looks like the International Deadline Conference.
How do you always nail the description?
Because I used to be a delegate. Now I've retired.
Why do you retire?
Got tired. Plus, I like talking to you more.
Another heart-melting line.
Reli, stop it. I still have hours of roasting left.
Fine. Going back to ice cream face.
Perfect. Roast session continues.
You know I'm right here and you still roast me.
Because I love you.
Lili.
Oh my God, Reli, not like that. Best friend love.
Got it.
Good. Just don't get the wrong idea.
No wrong ideas. But it still feels warm.
Warm is fine. Now order me another coffee.
I'm broke.
Reli, you were kidding about being broke, right?
50% kidding, 50% real.
So, half poor?
Not poor, just controlled spending.
Reli, controlled, shouldn't look like you're paying off a bank loan.
I'm just being realistic.
Too realistic kills the fun. You should learn my spending style.
The impulsive kind?
Not impulsive, emotionally guided finance.
That sounds dangerous.
But fun! Money comes and goes. Joy is harder to get back.
Fair. But I still like keeping my money.
What for?
Emergencies.
Like, bad coffee emergencies?
Lili, you take money way too lightly.
I do set monthly savings goals.
How much?
Depends on how much I partied that month.
So, every month?
Exactly.
Thought so.
But I live happily.
And I live calculated.
Reli, one of us has to spend for the economy to grow. I'm sacrificing myself for you.
Thanks, but I'm taking that job back.
Don't, I'm great at spending.
A talent I don't need.
You don't, but my wallet does.
Lili, do you ever want to grow up for real?
Nope. Sounds exhausting.
I mean, live more planned.
I have plans. Like tonight. Sleep at 11.
You'll probably sleep at 1 a.m.
Exactly. Plans exist to be broken.
That's not how role models work.
I'm not a role model, I'm the fun mirror.
Fun mirror.
The mirror that shows you loosening up a little won't kill you.
You might be right.
I'm always right.
Don't get too cocky.
How else am I supposed to live? If I wasn't confident, who'd fix your image?
What are you to me that you fix my image?
Your spiritual stylist.
Does the position come with salary?
No salary, but unlimited roasting rights.
Yeah, that's definitely your job.
Obviously.
Hey, after all this talking, I forgot got any fun stories?
Yep. I just discovered the secret to feeling beautiful every day.
Don't say the mirror.
Nope. Front camera on my phone.
Front camera distorts your face.
That's why I turn off the beauty filter.
Without filter, you look real.
Exactly. And after seeing real enough times, suddenly I think I'm beautiful.
Weird philosophy.
Not philosophy, just accepting reality.
Then why don't you accept reality when it comes to saving money?
Because money isn't reality. Money is emotion.
I'll never understand you.
No need to understand, just like me.
I do like your confidence, but it scares me a little too.
Scared of what?
That one day you'll be so confident you lose your way.
Never. Confident, not blind. I know my limits.
Where's the limit?
When my wallet hits 0.
Ah, a very reasonable limit.
Reli, you always talk to me with such serious energy.
Because I want our conversations to have quality.
Just be natural like me.
Your natural is chaotic.
Chaotic, but fun.
Too chaotic gets tiring.
Reli, you're tired because you overthink. Your brain must weigh 2 kilos.
Normal human brain is 1.3 kilos.
See? Yours is heavier.
Oh God.
Don't worry. I balance you out.
How?
I roast you just enough to make you laugh, but not enough to make you mad.
Sounds like you're blending a smoothie.
Exactly. You're the sour. I add the sweet.
When was I sour?
Sour in that overly serious way.
Thanks.
You're welcome. I love teasing you.
My turn. Ever think about the far future, like what you want to be in a few years?
Me? I just want to live.
Who?
Just live. Nothing grand. Happy, healthy, good food, enough sleep.
Super simple goal.
Simple is the hardest. Too many people complicate things and miss the basics.
That actually sounds like truth.
I don't do philosophy. I just say it like it is.
What about love?
If it comes, great. If not, extra sleep.
Sleep is your answer to everything?
Sleep is humanity's universal solution. Try skipping it, you'll see.
I'll give you that one.
Rely.
Hmm?
Talking to you feels really nice.
Thanks. Same here.
There it is again. No serious stuff.
I was just complimenting you.
Compliments make me shy.
Lili, are you actually shy or faking?
Faking. But faking counts.
Oh, Lord.
Last question, Reli. Want to go somewhere after coffee?
Where?
Eat. I'm starving.
You're always starving.
Because I'm happy. And happiness makes me hungry. Science proved it.
Where's the proof?
In my heart.
Lili. Zero credibility.
0 credibility, but you're still coming, right?
Yeah. I'm coming.
Awesome. Get up. I'll lead the way.
Lili, do you even know the way?
Nope. But we'll figure it out as we go.
That sounds risky.
Trust me. If we get lost, it'll be even more fun.
Fun for you. Stressful for me.
Perfect combo then. 1 fun, 1 stressed, total balance.
Something feels off about that.
Nothing off. Come on, Reli. I'm so hungry you're starting to look like a pastry.
All right, let's go before you eat me with your eyes.
Hurry, hurry! Dinner is waiting for us.